Hi guys! So we are back for another summer reading craft, but before we get started on that, we're going to go ahead and do our adult prize for this week. And I'm just going to pick that real quick. Normally I have Jessica pick it, but today we are going to pick, and it is Miss Amy Spear. So I will be giving you a phone call just to get you up here to pick out your prize. And congratulations. So we're going to go ahead and jump into our Zen Gardens. So if you want, there are still kits available here at the library up at the reference desk. Just go and ask for the adult craft. You get a bowl, instructions, which I don't have mine with me, but that's okay. You get a bag of sand, and this is actual sand from actual North Carolina beaches. We had an employee who went to the beach and was kind enough to bring back a whole bucket of sand for me. And then we have these rocks to decorate it with as well. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to take your bowl and we're going to pour our sand into it as gently as we possibly can. I'm going to make it to where I can grab this corner and I'm going to pour it in like this rather slowly. I don't really want to get it everywhere, but that's okay. And I'll shake it a little bit to even it out. Alrighty. And you want it nice and even, and then you can not put your rocks in it if you want to. You get a little rake like this. Mine has glue all over it and sand already because I've already been playing with it. But you can just flatten it out like this if you wanted. You can drag it this way. You can take the edge of it and do stuff like this. You can take the end and make little designs like that. You can go shallow or you can go deep into the sand. You can even play with it with your hands, although I don't really suggest that because it is going to get all over your hands. But it's very fun to do. You move all of it to one side and move it around like that. You can make little patterns in the sand, like kind of how they do with the baseball field with the rake. And it's just very fun to do. It's very relaxing. It is called a Zen Garden after all. And I'm going to put a little bit of the rocks in. I'm not a big fan of rocks in the sand, but I am going to put them here in this little corner, just a handful. And then I'm going to take my little rake, and I'm actually just going to bury my rocks in the sand because I feel like doing that. And you can set this on your desk, and it's just really fun to play around with. And like I said, you can bury it and you just move it around. And I'm having a lot of fun doing this, which is why I haven't stopped. Because it's very fun. All right, time to stop. You guys get the point. This is our Zen Garden. And like I said, we have plenty of them left over. So please come and grab one. It's really fun and I don't want to stop doing it. I hope you guys like this craft as much as I do. I really enjoy it. Most people here in the library really enjoy it when I showed them this. And I hope you guys enjoy it as well. We'll see you guys next time for our last craft next week.